Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you have been looking for a fun, interactive, and beginner-friendly way to learn a new language, you've come to the right place because in today's video, we are diving into one of the most popular language learning platforms online, which is Mondly. So we will walk you through everything from creating your account, exploring the dashboard, using the daily lessons, practicing conversations with AI, and even checking out some of Mondly's premium features. And before we begin, do not forget to check out our affiliate link in the description below if you want to try Mondly for yourself and support the channel at the same time. So let's begin. Mondly is one of the most popular language learning apps designed to make learning fun, simple, and accessible for everyone. It allows you to learn languages for free and gives you access to 41 different languages from your native language. Getting started is simple. First, you need to choose the language you already speak. Like for example, in my case, I already speak English. And then select the language you want to learn. So in this case, we are going to be choosing something like maybe Italian. And from there, all I have to do is click the Start Learning. Mondly creates interactive lessons that includes vocabulary practice, pronunciation, exercises, conversations, and real-life scenarios to help you learn naturally. If you want a fun and modern way to start learning a new language, Mondly could be the perfect app for you. Now, if you want to claim the deal, you can do that. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description below. Now, you see at the bottom, there are 4 sections that we need to cover. The categories helps you learn vocabulary and phrases based on specific topics or real-life situations. So right now we have the daily lesson, countries and languages, objects and numbers, grammar 1, travel, school, time and calendar, food and drinks, family, and chatbot. Let's go to the first one, which is going to be the hello. What will happen is you will see that you have lessons until 1 to 6. If you click the start button, what will happen is you'll be forwarded here. Now, all I have to do is drag this rectangle icon to the right answer. Okay, so you need to, let's say for father, that's going to be padre or padre. Okay, so brother could be fratello. And then for mother, it's going to be madre. And then of course, sister is going to be sorella. Click the continue button. All right, so you have, all I have to do now is swipe up or down. For father, that's going to be padre. And then for mother, that's going to be like a madre. It's really fun, right? It makes easier to focus on the vocabulary that matches your goal, whether I'm traveling, studying, or improving communication skills. Now, if you want to learn more, okay, tap the verb, which is going to be is. Okay, so this is madre. Okay, click the check if it's okay. There we go. We were able to make on it. So mi padre is, this is my father. There you go. Right? It's really fun because I've been using this a lot. I am learning Italian by using Mondly. So hello is probably ciao. Ciao. Ciao, buonasera. Now for sister, that's going to be sorella. Okay. Brother is fratello. You see, I don't know any Italian word, but thank you so much, Mondly. I was able to learn few words, phrases, and verbiage. Okay, so if you want, so questa è mia sorella, that's going to be where is my sister. Sorella is for sister, right? So you have to be, remember that. Click that continue button. This is my brother, mio. So it's not correct. Questo è mio fratello, right? Okay, this is my sister because we have that earlier. We're almost done, all right? Ciao is hello. And then last question, I believe, is questo è mia madre. And there you have it. Lesson completed. That's for the basic hello. And we need to, of course, make sure that we be consistent on our learnings, and you will know your standing on the global ranking by checking these points. If you want to sign up, which we will do later, But for now, let's click that continue button. So if you want to learn faster with premium, you can unlock it by choosing all of these. But for now, we are done with lesson 1. We're going to go back to the main homepage because you see that's for the hello. We have the data lesson. The data lesson allows you to choose a specific date in your mind that you wanted to be involved, and it's a commitment. Okay, so if you wanted really to learn, you need to commit. For example, let's say I'm going to have my data lesson starting on the 16th. All right, click the button, and then all I have to do is, of course, complete all of these. All right, I'm gonna skip that for now, okay, because I'm going to show you the countries and languages. Now, for the countries and languages, you can of course start with lesson 1, but you need to upgrade to the premium plan before you can use the countries and languages, as well as the objects and numbers. You see that? That's why it's important for you to make sure if you wanted to scale up and unlock all of the tools and features, you need to upgrade to the premium plan. Remember, if you decided, use our affiliate link in the video description. Okay, so basically you can't use any of these uneven travel. Let's check if we can use the travel. So it's not available for the free account. The chatbot is here where we can use, right? So for the chatbot, let's try to utilize the free tools here in Mondly. Okay, so reply 1, type to reply. All right, type it here. You see that it's going to be a conversational. Okay, my name is let's say I'm gonna make something here. Let's say my name is Como ti chiami? Mondly full tutorial. Mi chiamo. All right. Now, all I have to do once you got bored with the chatbot, okay, if you need to move forward, it's okay. Just end your lesson. Very quickly, you can go to the restaurant wherein you need to unlock it by upgrading to the premium plan. But of course, we get to test the waters for the chatbot. Now, for the core vocabulary, it is a new feature here in Mondly wherein you can start meeting people and all of these. All right. Now, let's try to create an account to see if we can unlock all of these. All right. So you can sign up using your email, or you can, if you want, you can use your Google, Apple, or your Facebook. It's up to you. Okay, now we have created our account here in Mondly. As you can see, I have my profile account ready. Let's try to check if we can access the core vocabulary using a free account. Unfortunately, you can't access it. You need to upgrade to the subscription plan. Let's try the family. Let's go with the lesson plan, and there you have it. So basically, you can't access all of these. Your free account is limited with the free tools, but we can still make the most out of this. Because if you can't, let's go back to the lessons section. And as you can see right now, we've done lesson 1. We can go to the other categories for the lessons. All right. Let's say we're going to go to the lesson core vocabulary, go here, or maybe let's go to the lessons 2 if you want, since this is what we have for our free account. So buongiorno is morning. Okay, so let's finish all of these. And good night is buonanotte. After that is good morning is buongiorno. And then let's say buonanotte is good night. Good night. All right, good night. So we're not correct. How are you is como estai? You see, I'm learning, right? So as you may notice, Mondly is one of the best learning language app out there. Very well is bene. Okay? Or molto bene. Grazie is a thank you. There you go. I've learned this using Mondly. Goodbye is arrivederci. Continue. And then next is buongiorno is obviously good morning. All right? And then the next after that is good night is buonanotte. So the more you encounter words, the more you learn, right? How are you? How are you, right? There you go. Molto bene, very well. And then for the last few questions, we have arrivederci as goodbye. And then we have thank you is molto, no, thank you is grazie. There you go. We have completed the lessons. Now, since our lessons has been completed, right here you will see your statistics being analyzed. And then click the continue button. You will now progress with 11 points. And remember, we are now around 51st on all-time ranking. Click that continue button. And then we're going to go to the statistics. Basically, the statistics are here to track your learning progress and performance over time. You can see your daily streaks, number of completed lessons, words learned, and of course, your time spent studying via weekly or monthly progress, accuracy scores. Now, this helps you motivate learners by showing improvements and encouraging consistency. Now we have the leaderboard. The leaderboard here adds a fun and competitive element to learning languages. It allows users to compare their progress with friends, other learners worldwide, right here in the global section, and weekly top performers. You can earn points by completing lessons and activities, then climb the rankings. This is gamified system encourages users to stay active and continue practicing every day. Right now, we are on the 51st. And if you want to level up and be the first year, you need to complete all the lessons, improve, and of course, if you want to upgrade the premium, you can also do that. Now, next is going to be the shop. The shop is where users can access premium features, subscriptions, or learning upgrades. Depending on the version of your monthly account, the shop may include premium subscription, access to all languages, advanced lessons, special learning features, family, or business plans. You see that if you go to the shop, you would unlock all the interactive lessons here that you can't use using the free version. Having said all of that, if you hover on the top right corner, you will see the settings. Your profile is where you manage all your personal account information, including your name, email, helping you track your language learning journey and customize your experience. The notifications is where you control reminders and updates from Mondly. You can enable or disable notifications depending on your preferences. And after that is selecting your language. Here, it allows you to choose your native language and of course, the language you want to learn. For example, earlier I was speaking English and I want to learn Italian. If you click the edit selected, you can learn a new language. For example, you want to learn Asian like Korean, you can do that. You can select your level like beginner, intermediate, and advanced because Mondly supports dozens of languages, so you can easily switch anytime. And then the feedback is where you can report bugs or issues, suggest new features, or share your experience with the app. With this, you are helping the Mondly to improve their platform. And of course, the developers improve the user experience for you. Now, the good thing is if you have a redeem code, like promo codes, gift codes, subscription voucher, special discounts, after entering a valid code, your premium features or rewards are added to your account. Remember to use our affiliate link in the video description. Now, these are going to be the audio and learning settings. You can control the small sounds inside the app, such as sound effects, autoplay voice, and auto continue. Now, the good thing about Mondly is that you see here, there is like a hat icon. These are added courses that you can unlock if you upgrade to the premium plan. Not only that, Mondly is available on mobile devices for both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Simply search for the Mondly app, and then you want to make sure to download and install the latest version available. Installing the newest version is highly recommended so you can access the latest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes released by the developers. If Mondly is not available, in your region, you may try using a VPN or proxy service to access the App Store listing. Once installed, you can either log in using your existing credentials or create a new account if you haven't signed up already. Mondly currently supports learning 41 languages and is available on Android and iOS devices. One of the best things about Mondly on mobile devices is how intuitive and beginner-friendly the interface feels right from the start. Whether you are using an Android or an iPhone, the app is designed to make the language learning simple, smooth, and easy to navigate even for first-time users. As you open the app, you'll notice the clean and modern layout. Everything is clearly organized from your daily lessons and categories to your progress tracking and statistics. The buttons are easy to understand, the menus are responsive, and the lessons are presented in a way that feels interactive. Mondly also makes learning convenient on mobile devices because you can continue your lessons anytime and anywhere. The touch controls feel natural, voice recognition works seamlessly, and the app automatically guides you from one lesson to the next without confusion. Another thing that makes Mondly intuitive is how it adapts to different learning styles. Whether you prefer listening, reading, or speaking, or quick style exercises, the app combines all these into a smooth mobile experience, even changing settings here. The app combines all these, even changing the settings like notifications, sound effects, and auto play voice in your preferred language only takes a few taps. Overall, Mondly delivers a very polished mobile experience that feels professional, easy to use, and accessible for both beginners and advanced learners. And with that being said, and that wraps up our full tutorial on Mondly. If you're looking for a language learning app that's beginner friendly, easy to navigate, and packed with interactive lessons, Mondly is definitely worth checking out. Whether you want to learn for travel, business, or personal growth, the app gives you a fun and flexible way to practice anytime and anywhere directly from your mobile device or desktop. One thing I really like about Mondly is how intuitive the platform feels. Of course, no app is perfect. Advanced learners may eventually want deeper grammar and explanations or more complex conversations, but for beginners and intermediate learners, Mondly offers a solid and enjoyable learning experience. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you want to try Mondly for yourself, make sure to use our affiliate link in the description below to support the channel and get started today. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.